It's a very warm night out there in West Michigan with almost everybody in the 70s, and it's quite breezy as well, with the wind coming up from the south, helping to transport that warm air into West Michigan. And we're waiting for a cold front to come through. Right now, we just have some cloud cover coming in from Lake Michigan and a few areas of scattered rain showers that are trying to make their way into Muskegon and into Oceana counties, but it's very minimal in terms of rain. What's actually happening to our north is a very electric line of thunderstorms into the UP, and the stretches all the way back through Wisconsin and even into parts of Iowa. And it's this line that's going to try to make a run for West Michigan, but we're rapidly losing energy, and I think the chances of us having any severe thunderstorm activity are pretty low. But into the early morning and right around noon, with this front sliding through, there is the chance of an isolated storm capable of damaging winds or large hail. Then through the rest of the day tomorrow and Wednesday, everything is fine. We may see again the chance for some thunderstorms on Thursday, definitely some heavy rain, and that will continue into Friday before leaving us for a nice weekend ahead. So a little bit of a roller coaster coming up this week. The areas of more heightened severe weather are in the orange and the red spots back to the west. We're on the edge of the energy here in West Michigan, as we have been for this risk area for the last couple of days. So while we could still have an area of thunderstorms capable of damaging winds or hail, I think a lot of that is going to be farther to the north through the overnight. And then as that front pushes to the south and east tomorrow, a little bit of energy right along the front, especially from places like Kalamazoo over to Jackson. There could be an isolated storm here as well, but models really have been trending quite dry. We just don't have all of those ingredients together to give us much of a severe weather threat. So tonight our temperatures will stay pretty much where they are now, upper 60s and low 70s, but it will be quite breezy. Winds could be gusting at times to 30 miles an hour, and the wind will stay high through tomorrow as well, maybe even higher than today. We could have gusts upwards of 40. High temperatures, especially south and east of Grand Rapids, will be in the middle to upper 70s, but for those back to the west towards Holland, Muskegon, and up through Hart, we're going to get the cold front a little bit earlier, and temperatures will fall into the 60s earlier. Most of us, when we hit those 70s, it's going to be right around noon, and then temperatures will fall behind the front. Most of us will stay dry through the overnight, just a couple of scattered showers possible. That line likely decaying as it moves into Michigan, but it could still hang together enough to give us the chance for a storm. All of the models are running pretty dry though, so I think most of us are going to end up okay. And then even into tomorrow, as the cold front slowly slides to the south and east, there could be one or two storms. This one in particular is dry, and that also does tend to look like the trend here. So hopefully we'll be able to escape without any real issues with any storms, but there is that chance just because the energy is here. So definitely worth mentioning. But going into the second part of the day tomorrow, temperatures will be into the 60s. It will be very breezy, and then will be quite chilly into early Wednesday morning, just a couple degrees above freezing. 63 and mostly sunny Wednesday, and then Thursday into Friday, that's our next chance for more widespread rain for the week.